What is the definition of concealed carry in Oklahoma? That is a question that many people have been asking, and of course, people in other states that might be looking at coming to Oklahoma would want to know what the law says. Other people thinking about moving to Oklahoma, you name it, anybody that's in Oklahoma falls under these laws. So let's get right into it, and we'll talk about exactly what state law says, specifically Title 21, Section 1290.2, definitions, specifically paragraph A2, which states, concealed firearm means a loaded or unloaded firearm not openly visible to the ordinary observation of a reasonable person. Now, that means exactly what it says. As long as you're carrying this firearm in such a way that no part of it is visible to the ordinary observation of a reasonable person, you are good to go and you are in compliance with state law and you are carrying concealed. Unlike some other states, there is no requirement or no specifications on how you carry concealed. There's no requirement for concealed carry that you carry using a holster or a sling or some kind of case or anything like that. As long as someone else can't see that you have a firearm, they can't see any part of it, then you're good. There's nothing that says that you can't carry it in a purse. You can't put it in just one of your pockets. There's nothing that says that you can't carry it in a backpack or a violin case like the gangsters used to do with their Tommy guns. All of those things are perfectly legal for concealed carry under state law in Oklahoma. Now, one thing people might be wondering is why does it say concealed firearm and not concealed handgun like in so many other places? The reason for that goes back to 1 November 2019, which was the first day of constitutional or permitless carry in Oklahoma. That was also the first time in state history since 1907 that average civilian people were allowed to carry in public firearms other than handguns. So, shotguns, rifles, short-barreled rifles, just anything other than a handgun. That was finally legalized at the end of 2019. But here's the thing. From 2019 till 2023, the law still specifically said concealed handgun. So it took Oklahoma, that many years, 4 years to finally update state law to reflect the new realities of what people could carry in public. So again, it covers any kind of firearm, not just handguns. And you can do this in Oklahoma with or without a license because this is a constitutional carry state, and constitutional carry in Oklahoma applies to basically anyone who is not a prohibited individual that's at least 21 years old. But you have, you have to have certain plastic rectangles on you while you're carrying, which is to say a state driver's license. Actually, it doesn't specify state driver's license. It only specifies that it be a driver's license. It does specify a state photo ID, a handgun license from wherever. Oklahoma recognizes handgun licenses or carry licenses from all other states, or a valid military ID. That's for people that are, currently serving in the, active duty, guard, or reserves. It doesn't apply to, retirees or veterans or whatever. All right, so I hope that answers the questions on what is the definition of concealed carry in Oklahoma.